on the ILS DME runway 07.
146, thanks for Tower, clear to land runway 07, wind 070 degrees, 15 knots.
07, Kappa 146.
Execute the missed approach and switch to approach 1208.
Malay, Kappa 146.
ILS DME runway 7.
Southwest 9026, thanks to tower, wind at 070 degrees, 14 knots, correct on runway 07.
Runway 07, Southwest 926.
Tower, thanks to tower, Kappa 146, approaching a Maxi, ILS DME runway 07.
6, thanks to tower, roger, continue approach runway 07.
Kappa runway 07.
Down to 26, arrive 04, vacate Alpha, contact ground 121.71 clear.
Okay, we'll vacate, and then we'll contact ground, Southwest 926.
146, wind 070 degrees, 17 knots, clear to land runway 07.
7, Kappa 146.
Arrive 1609er, vacate next right, contact ground 121.71 clear.
Right and 1217.5, confirm for Kappa 146.
121.7.
Tower November 660 Alpha Sierra, close right base, runway 07.
60 Alpha Sierra, thanks to tower, roger, continue approach 07, expect landing clearance over the lights, and for now wind 070 degrees, 15 knots.
Continue 660.
Tower, Southwest 2481, with you, ILS, runway 07.
Wind 060 degrees now, 15 knots, clear to land runway 07.
Clear to land runway 7, 660 Alpha Sierra.
2481, thanks to tower, continue approach runway 07, you're following traffic over light.
Bro, Southwest 2481.
Alpha Sierra, arrive 1 vacate Bravo, contact ground 121.71 clear.
17660 Alpha.
1 wind 060 degrees, 16 knots, clear to land runway 07.
Clear to land, runway 07, Southwest 2481.
81, arrive 15, vacate Bravo, contact ground 12171, clear.
Vacate via Bravo, over to ground 217.
Left base to final for runway 7.
9055, Sangster Tower, wind at 070 degrees 14 knots, clear to land runway 07.
7, good land, Delta 1955.
That's our very good morning, Virgin 165 Heavy, with you fully established runway 07.
Virgin 165, Sangster Tower, continue approach runway 07.
Continue approach runway 07, Virgin 165.
Five arrived at 21, vacate right, ground 12171, clear.
Good for Alpha, and then over to ground, Delta 1955.
Virgin 165, wind 060 degrees 15 knots, clear to land runway 07.
Clear to land runway 7, Virgin 165.
Up to runway 07, ready for departure.
2356, Sangster Tower, just time for departure, chart.
Hold short, runway 7, JetBlue 2356.
Virgin 165, do you want us to go to ground?
5A from ground 1217, clear.
117, thank you, Virgin 165, good day.
179, we're on the ILS runway 7.
179, Sangster Tower, roger, wind 070 degrees 18 knots, clear to land runway 07.
Runway 07, try one more time, clear to land runway 7.
21179 from clear to land 07, wind 070 degrees 18 knots.
Clear to land runway 07, thank you, JetBlue.
1462 with your runway 7.
1462, Sangster Tower, roger, continue approach 07.
Continue.
2356 behind the landing company, line up and wait behind.
Wait behind landing company on runway 7, JetBlue 2356.
Uh, 1462, expect landing clearance, short final.
Okay.
Holding short 7 in sequence, ready.
Stand by for departure.
Standing by.
1179 arrive, 41, vacate Bravo, say again, number.
Vacating via Bravo, we're going to 1 Alpha.
1179, roger, taxi Alpha to 1 Alpha, give way to traffic holding on Alpha.
Okay, Alpha to 1 Alpha will give way to traffic holding on Alpha. JetBlue 117.
1217. G56, clear for takeoff, runway 07, wind 070 degrees, 19 knots.
7 JetBlue 2356.
On 462, wind 070 degrees, 19 knots, clear to land runway 07.
Runway 7 out of 1462.
4, saying Sitara, roger, continue approach 07. 1762 behind the landing, United short final now, line up way behind.
Way behind the United short final, Delta 1762.
04, reduce speed 200 knots or less. G56, contact Sanks radar 120.8, good day.
Good day, sir. JetBlue 2356.
One 462, arrive 44, vacate Bravo, ground 1217, clear.
Bravo, ground Alpha.
Get a quick one, vacate Alpha, ground 1217.
Order ground, and that is 1462.
And Rouge 1804, expect landing clearance over the light, traffic is low. Alright, Delta 1762, wind 070 degrees, 20 knots, northerly, clear for takeoff 07.
Takeoff, runway 7 Delta 1762.
Rouge 1804, wind 060 degrees, 20 knots, clear to land runway 07. Five 7 Sanks, third tower, continue approach, expect landing clearance, short fell. Rouge 1804, arrive 46, vacate next right, contact ground 12171, clear.
For the ground, 1804.
762, contact radar 120.8, airborne 45.
Yeah, Delta 1762, good day.
857, wind 060 degrees, 20 knots, clear to land runway 07.
American 857, clear to land, runway 07.
For contact ground 121.7. 273 behind the landing American, a short final line up way behind.
Landing American will be ready to go. We'll land for weight 7, Southwest 273.
833, thanks to roger, continue approach 07.
Southwest 273, runway 7, line up for weight.
Affirm. 57 arrive 49er, vacate via taxiway Alpha, and contact ground 12171 clear.
Alpha and ground.
Wing 273, wind 060 degrees 20 knots, clear for takeoff runway 07.
Takeoff runway 7, southwest 273.
Bearings 833, wind 060 degrees 21 knots, clear to land runway 07.
Runway 7, rear wings 833.
Delta 1997, visual runway 17.
Delta 1997, thanks to Roger, continue approach 07. 273, airborne 50, contact thanks, radar 120, that's Malay, clear.
Malay, good day, southwest 273.
Allegiant 7007, line up 18, runway 07.
Line up point, runway 7, Allegiant 7007.
997, expect landing clearance, short final.
Delta 1997.
833, arrive 52, vacate via taxiway Bravo, contact ground 1217 when clear.
Taxi ground 217, rear wings 833.
Gen 7007, wind 060 degrees 19 knots, clear for takeoff runway 07.
7, Allegiant 7000.
Two Echo Charlie, ready in sequence.
Echo Charlie, Roger, stand by for departure. Wind 060 degrees, 20 knots, clear to land runway 07.
Runway 7, Delta 1997. Say the ones again?
060 degrees and 20 knots.
Copy, Delta 1997.
Gen 7007, airborne 53, contact thanks, radar 120, decimal 8, good day.
Departure, Allegiant 7007, what's it?
Air 97, arrive 54, vacate via taxiway Bravo, contact ground 12171 clear.
Right here in right Bravo, 121.7, Delta 1997.
162, Echo Charlie, line up 807.
072 Echo Charlie.